Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Favor. If you're new in this channel, please consider subscribing. If you're already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. So guys, on today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you all how you can achieve this gorgeous looking micro twist. I hope you enjoy this journey with me. Keep watching. So guys, first I'll be showing you all how I sew the closure net on top of this cap. So as you can see, I didn't buy the cap that has a closure net on it, so I have to sew it myself. So guys, keep watching. So guys, after finish sewing it, I have to cut out the down part of the cap because I won't be needing it, and also I have to cut out the extra material from the net. So guys, keep watching. And this is the extension I use. I use a pink and with a gold. So but the pink is more of the gold, so that's why it looks more pink than gold. So this is after mixing it, this is how it looks like. As you can see, it looks more pink. So yeah, and then this is where I went ahead to start crocheting it. So I have to explain this, guys. At first, when I was crocheting it, I have to make it like a knot, as you can see it in the video. But after the first line, I didn't really like how it looks, so I had to change the method in which I used to crochet it. Yeah. So, and also while you are twisting it, you want to make sure that the both finger, that's where you're twisting. As you can see it in the video, I have to make it very slow here so you get what I'm trying to say. So this is a tight twist. So while twisting it, you want to make sure that you're twisting the both extension like in your both ends. Yes. So yeah, while you're doing it like this, it's getting it like it's making it really tight. So when you tie it, it's gonna be a little bit hard for it to lose because it's a really tight braid. Like it's a really tight twist, I mean. So guys, and this is it. After twisting it, you just have to tie the end. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys. As you keep watching, you're gonna see how I used to tie it. I tie it like twice. When I twist it and it gets to some like length, I tied it first. I continue with the twisting, so when it gets to the end, like the length in which I want, so I also tied it. That's I used to tie it like twice. So guys, keep watching. So guys, this is the second method I used in crocheting it, and yeah, it's actually the method I use in the rest of the twist anyways. So yeah, I prefer this method because it seems more flexible, like, you know, it's really looks more I think it's more better anyways. Yeah. And yeah, and also guys, I'm gonna show you all how I did the tying, like I said. Yeah, because why I did tie it like that is an equal length wig. So uh tying it twice, I did it like that just in case when I'm trimming it at the down, like the length at the down part, you know, it's equal. Just in case I trim the first tying, I will know that yes, there's another tying that is holding the twist for it not to lose. So yeah, as you can see, this is the first tying I did in the video. I tied it first. When I twist it close to the length that I want at the down part, I tie it like this, as you can see it in the video, and then I continue with the twisting. Yeah, I have to twist it again to the last to the length I want, then I tied it again. So me tying it twice is because I did the wig equal length. I trim it equal length. So I did it like that just in case when I am trimming it the equal length at the down part after the whole of the twist, just in case I mistakenly like trim the first tying, I know that there's another tying that is holding the twist. So guys, I just hope you guys understand what I trying to explain. Yeah, but anyways, you can see it in the video. So yeah, so guys, keep watching. So guys, when I got to where I sew in the closure net, I had to ventilate it. Yeah, you know, the closure net, it's very thin, like the holes are very tiny. it's not like the cap hole, so I had to ventilate it in like round. I did like a 3-step. As you can see it in the video, I ventilated round, round and round, so it's a 3 step I did at the front side. I ventilated, as you can see it in the video. So I used my DIY ventilating needle. That's what I'll be using in all my videos anyways. So guys, if you haven't seen how I make this ventilating needle, you can just go through my playlist and then you can see how I made a ventilating needle. This is the needle that I've been using in all my ventilating. So guys, and after ventilating it round, as you can see it, it's all done. I'm gonna show you all how it looks like the rounds. Anyways, you can see it in the video. So yeah, this is it. And after that, I have to start twisting it with extra extension. Anyways, you'll see it in the video. So guys, keep watching. So guys, this is the part where I start twisting from the ventilating part. So yeah, it's easy to attach your extension to the one on the ventilating parts. So I just hope you get understand. That's why I make this part a little bit closer, so you get to see how I do attach the extension I'm holding with the one I have on the closure. So guys, keep watching. So guys, as you can see, I already finished making the whole of the twist and it's looking so lovely, it's looking so gorgeous, and it's looking so beautiful. So guys, and now I have to go ahead and trim it a little bit down before I will have to put it in hot water. So guys, keep watching. So guys, after trimming it like this first, I went ahead and I put it in the hot water. And while putting it, I have to hold it like this because I want it to remain straight. And in the hot water, I also put in a leave-in conditioner. So guys, and then after that, have to put it outside for it to get dried, and this is how it's looking like after that. And then this, if you have a clipper like this, you can use it to trim it down, like the equal down parts. So still, if you don't have a clipper, you can also use a scissors. And after that, that is just it. This is it, and this is how it's looking. It's looking so nice, it's looking so lovely, guys. This wig, it's so beautiful. Which you know, when I was wearing it, I got a lot of compliment from the wig, and it's looking so lovely. So guys, please and please, if this is your first time of watching my video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, comment how you feel about this video, and share my video. See you in my next video, guys, and bye.